What is up, guys? I know it's been a while since I've given any kind of update on the 86 here, but it's time that I do. As you can see, I don't have the NVIDIA N1 anymore. I strayed away from the dual exhaust. I wanted to run single exit. Now this is the ISR single exit exhaust. Originally, I wanted to get the Greddy Revolution exhaust. Unfortunately, Injuku did not have it in stock. I then emailed them and asked if they had the HKS High Power V2. That was also out of stock, and the ETA for those were mid next year. I couldn't wait, so I emailed back asking what they did have, and they ended up having the ISR single exit. They did have the dual exit. I didn't want that, so I opted to go with that. It was a little bit cheaper, but we made the swap, and here she is installed. My thoughts on this exhaust is it's pretty good. I like it. The welds were good. The piping was good. All the bends and stuff, they look great. It was very high polished, and the tone of this exhaust it retains the Subaru low rumble. Yes, it is a ginormous exhaust. This is about a 4-inch tip, but it is what it is. I like it. It does stick out a little bit further than from what I see on the Greddy, which is fine. Yeah, man, I know it's gonna drone. It is pretty loud for what it is. Go ahead, hop in here. Oh, give it a few revs. Let's go to 5,000. Yeah, so I can imagine they're droning. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This is just a little quick update on the car, and yeah, we'll catch you guys next time.